Yeah, but it messes up the quad. Cool, right?
Whoa.
See the cars, how tiny they are?
Oh, wow. It's like green. Are there good waves or no?
No, they're not big. I don't think
That's
so.
awesome. But there's fishies?
Yeah, you can see fish.
Oh my god. Big baseball stadium.
See the airport's all the way over there. You can see it almost.
Where?
See that strip over there? We're gonna turn.
Are we going on that? Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
we're going into. There's 2 runways, and there's another plane over there. Do you see it? Cool, right?
Wow, we're really turning.
Yep. All the way over there.
Oh, wow, we're really.
This is the fun part. Yeah, right. The airport's just over there.
Whoa. Really? Really? That fast? You really have to go that fast? Whoa. I felt that.
Don't worry, it's just the flaps going down.
And where are we staying?
We're staying on Isla Verde. It's all the way over there. It's by the airport. There must be like a canal or something.
Yeah.
Water's nice, right?
We're going today.
Oh.
I don't like that.
Look, see, that's El Moro. You see the fortress?
Yeah.
If I can zoom in. See, that's the old San Juan airport. And all that island is old San Juan.
Do you want to bring sunglasses? That's for me. Oh, you forgot the sunglasses? Yeah, no. Do you take a video every time you come?
Oh, I'm sorry, am I blocking your view?
No, that's fine.
Okay. There's our landing gear, can you feel it? There's the wheels going down. I love this part. Don't worry, it's fine. This is one. Train station is right there.
Does it feel to you?
Okay.
Kind of, yeah.
Yeah, hold the camera still.
Okay.
You don't like the landing? Yeah, I don't mind the
Come on, they'll have some fun.
Okay, so this is the lagoon, and past the lagoon is the airport, and that over there is Isla Verde. So our apartment building is right there. Do you see it? Next to the graveyard.
What?
See?
Oh, really?
It's on the left. The first building on the left. Actually, no, that one's it. That one right there. The orange on it.
What, like that orange?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Are condos in there?
Yeah, it looks bad,
Oh, I
but
don't
it's
like this.
Of course.
We just score yet?
Nope, not yet.
Are we gonna feel
You'll
that?
feel it, you'll feel it.
I don't want to feel it. So we're not gonna die. But
We're on the ground.
If anything happens, we can kind of live, right?
We're done right here. No, you're having fun. What's your first thrust?
What's that?
First thrust.
Stop.
Yep. Slowing the plane down.
And keep flat. Landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, U.S. Airways welcomes you to San Juan. The local time is 11:10. For your safety as well as the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and keep the aisle clear until we are parked at the gate. The captain will then turn off the fasten seatbelt sign indicating it is safe to stand. Use caution when opening the overhead compartments to remove your items, since articles might have shifted during flight. The use of wireless communication devices is now permitted. However, all other electronic devices must remain off and stowed until we arrive at the gate.
Here, guys.
On behalf of U.S. Airways and the crew, we thank you for flying with us. We appreciate your business and look forward to serving you on a future flight. Damas y caballeros, U.S. Airways les da la bienvenida a San Juan, la hora local aproximadamente las 11:10. Por razones de seguridad, les pedimos que por favor permanezcan sentados con sus cinturones abrochados hasta que el capitán estacione el avión en el terminal y apague la señal de los cinturones.
It looks kind
Tengan
of the
cuidado al
same.
abrir los compartimientos superiores,
Where's the
ya que es
concrete?
posible que su equipaje se haya movido durante el vuelo. El uso de